Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel tab, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. There we have to scroll down to find the developer options, which are not absent in my case also. Probably in your case they are also disabled. So in order to activate them, we have to enter About Tablet, find the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. I've just recorded it, and you can check how much advanced options you can get there. So after activating, we have to again enter the system and tap on developer options. Right here, let's scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates, and all you have to do is to tap on the switcher. And from now on, this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will have a chance to update the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.